about my workout. I know I look crazy, but I feel good. And I'm proud of myself for doing this 45 minutes. Okay, y'all, so I'm back from the gym. And I just ran into one of you guys, Wendy, in Walmart. Hey girl, hey, I'm not sure if she watched my vlog channel or my mukbang channel, but she noticed me, and I'm always happy when you guys see me in public and speak. But I was looking so crazy. I was a little embarrassed, y'all, because I don't like people to see me looking like this. I don't know. I just left the gym. I look crazy, and I just don't like it. So this will be the last day, November 1st, 2019, that I go out in public looking crazy, okay? I'm not doing it no more. See, it's like, I can't. I feel so uncomfortable, and it's just like I always, like, people tell me all the time, like, oh, I saw you in public, but I didn't want to speak, or oh, I saw you, but you was walking so fast. And usually when I'm walking fast, I mean I look crazy, and I'm just trying to get in and out. But y'all, look at what I got on. Like, I look fool, okay? I just went to the store to grab a couple of things, but I'm happy that she said hello, because that always makes my day. But I don't want y'all to see me looking crazy. Like, I could look crazy, but this is like crazy, like crazy AF. I ain't trying to do that. I can't do that no more. So it was a little embarrassing, and I couldn't even give her a hug, because I be happy, I be hugging on people and everything. I couldn't even give her a hug because I just left the gym, and I'm just like, sis. Well, she ain't trying to hug me, but you know, usually I go in, you know, I'm a hugger, so I go in for the kill, you know. But let me show y'all what I picked up from the store. Okay, so I told y'all that I had to go get a spoolie and stuff, so I picked up some more of the Maybelline Master Prime, because I was low on that. I picked up 2 of the brow wands. Eyebrow pencil sharpener. I forgot to get another eyebrow pencil, because I do need another eyebrow pencil. And I wanted to try these Eyelure Luxe Silk eyelashes. Let me show y'all how they look. Because I don't know, I like these really fluffy eyelashes, but I'm always so afraid to try them, because I really like the thinner strips, because the thicker ones just seem like the mink lashes and stuff like that seem too heavy for my eyes. I don't know. So these aren't mink lashes, but I wanted to give them a try because they look so pretty and fluffy. So I'm gonna try them, see if I like them. And this is the style Marquise, so we'll see. And then I just picked up some of the mini cucumbers, because I'm gonna have that with my seafood boil. A kiwi, a grapefruit, and some rosemary. Super random stuff that I had to pick up. So now I'm getting ready to go get in the shower and get my life together. Okay. All right, y'all. So
the last time I got on the scale, I was here. When was this? 2 Fridays ago.
Say hey to Ryan.
Waffle.
So we're getting ready to cook some. Are we doing collard greens or mustard?
Collard greens. We got
I know, I forget to do my eyebrow. See how he be coming for me? Y'all, I finally freshened up.
Keep going. What you about to say?
It's so extra. But we're getting ready to record a video on our cooking channel. So I'm not gonna be on camera. It's Rain's turn. So that's what we're doing tonight. Come on, little butterfly.
Butterfly? I am a moth.
You're a caterpillar. So if you guys want to see that, well, by the time this video goes out, the cooking video will be out. So y'all make sure y'all go show that video some love. But that's what we're about to do right now. You got everything? You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, y'all. Bye. Okay, y'all, so happy Saturday and welcome to another vlog. So it is game day for little Tony. If they don't win this game, then Their season is over. It's also Florida Georgia weekend in our city, so it's a party in Jacksonville this weekend, y'all, but we're not partaking in any of that turn up. We're just going to the game. I have Tony, say hey. Say hey.
What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Chilling,
And my older son that y'all never get to see. Let me get y'all a close-up.
It's game day, baby.
So it looked a little blurry, but I'll try to vlog a little bit more. I try to vlog a little bit more at this game than I did the last time. So let's go. Y'all, this is the team quarterback, JJ. Getting suited and booted. All right, y'all, so I'm in the car, which I'm gonna miss the first few minutes of the game because I had to go to the bathroom and they only have porta potties out here. And I can't do it, sis. I can't. So I'm gonna drive. We had a good parking spot. I'm gonna lose my parking spot and I'm gonna miss a little bit of the game. But ooh, oh well. Oh, she gonna let me go. Okay. So I'm just gonna drive up here to Burger King. Oh my God, how the hell do I get out of here? I don't even know how to get out of here. I'm so mad. I have 5 minutes to get there and back, which I'm not gonna make it, but I'm gonna go to, I think it's a Burger King up here. Ugh. I hate using public bathrooms. Y'all know this. If y'all been following me for a while, I don't like to use public bathrooms. I could go to Panera, but Burger King is the closest and I don't want to miss too much of the game. Oh man. Okay, y'all, I'm back out here and no one has scored yet, so that's good. Y'all, we just got our touchdown. I couldn't record because I was screaming. Yeah, we going to the ship. We going to the ship. Okay, I'm about to mess with Tony. We've been home for several hours now. But I forgot to end my vlog. The Florida gate is lost though, but Tony, we going to the ship. Mom. We going to the ship. Going to the ship. Going to the ship. You don't want to celebrate with the vlog? We going to the ship. Let's go. We going to the ship. Break it down. We going to. Okay, he's over it. He's over it, y'all. But we're going to the championship game. It's gonna be so exciting. Hey y'all, and happy Sunday. So I just finished doing my makeup. I'm getting ready to do a mukbang, so I have to go ahead and prepare the food for that. We're doing a seafood boil. I'm not gonna film that because I do have a video on this channel and on my cooking channel on how I prepare my seafood. So if you want to see that, go ahead and check the video out. I'll have the link in the description box. Tony's doing the video with me, so that's what we're doing today. We did watch football, but we watched football in bed. The football game came on really early this morning, so we watched it from bed. I ended up taking a nap because the Jaguars were getting beat down pretty much. I wanted to show you guys really quick the non-stick oven liner that I picked up. It look a little blurry, but this is the one that we grabbed. I haven't opened it yet, but hopefully it's not that hard. I'm assuming that you just put it in the bottom of your oven. I've never used one of these before, so I know the lighting in my kitchen sucks, but we're gonna do some snow crab, shrimp, lobster, corn, sausage, potatoes, you know, the works. So I'll show y'all what it looks like when everything is set up. I might end the vlog here. I might be back later on, just depending on what we do. If we decide to do anything today, which, I mean, there'll be something around the house. We're not going nowhere. But, yeah, so let me get the cooking, child, because I got to get this video out.